darkest day. Seeking wisdom, hearts alight, guided by the stars so bright. Embracing change, we walk as one, learning from all that we've done. In every step, a new dawn's rise, with open hearts and open eyes it kissed. Hearts ablaze with hope and endless glow, radiant flame to carry on to know. A path of clarity, the light of life illuminating the darkness, guiding us right. For the world needs love and heart shining through, as we journey on in Luminar. As we face the future with courage too, we hold each other close, our bond strong and true. Anticipating what is yet to come, our hearts are open wide, our trust will never be undone. I see a world where everyone can move, knowing we have strength in unity. Together as one, we can weather any storm. In this time of change, it is clear we belong together as a one. Hearts ablaze with hope and endless glow, radiant flame to carry on to know. A path of clarity, the light of life illuminating the darkness, guiding us right. For the world needs love and heart shining through, as we journey on in Luminar. We must choose to love each other as we go. The sun will rise again, the clouds will part to show a better world, a brighter place, one filled with love for all to embrace. Resilience, determination, they say there's no end to what we can do. A world that's fairer, where all people live free, to live well in peace. We'll make it crystal clear. Let's begin this new era, one that requires courage and hope. Let's take the first step towards a better society, and let our voices be heard, let them ring out loud. We must keep our eyes focused, straight ahead on the goal we pursue, on our journey into Luminar, to build a world anew.